Namaste children, today is a revision class for Add 9, Add 8 and 7. So big friend family we had learned 8, 9, 7 addition. So let's revise that. If you have any doubt in the previous work, you can check here. So before you can solve these all yourself and then check with my answer, with my solution. If any doubt, you can learn. And please write in the comment box if you have still any doubt, okay? So let's start. So, first sample question is 15, number is 15, so 15, less 5, add 3, 9, add 9, so you know 9 friend of 9 is 1, so less 1, add 10. See 9 is at the ones, see single number always we will add the ones rod. Single number means unit place, it means ones place. So this is 22. We'll write here 22 and 13. Next one 13, 8. We don't have 8 here. So friend of 8 is 2. Less 2 add 10. Less 2 add 10. 5. Add 5. Less 6. Okay, remove this. So this is 20. Next question 8, 20. See, 20, 2, 0. 2 is at the tens place. So 2 and this 0 at the ones place. So no need to add here at the ones rod. 12. So 1 is at the tens rod. So 12. So 1 and 2 you have to add at the ones rod. How to add 2? Friend of 2 is 8. So less 8 add 10. Less 8 add 10. 6. Okay, done. 46. Next is 79. So 7 and 9. Less 1. 1. So single number, it means ones rod. Less 1. Add 7. Friend of 7 is 3. So less 3. See 7 is a single number. It means you have to add at the ones rod. So less 3 add 10. Less 5. Now the number is 80. Next 32, 7, 9. 9 you have to add at the ones rod because single number here. So how to add? Friend of 9 is 1. So less 1 add 10. Less 6. So this we did it. 42. Okay. I hope you are very clear. If any doubt, please write in the comment box. I will answer. I will sort it out again. I will explain again. Thank you very much. Keep on practicing and enjoy IAbacus classes. Thank you.